cats and dogs?
Yes.
For real? What are you gonna do?
It's not raining outside with cats and dogs for real, but it is raining cats and dogs in this song. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. I'll go outside with a great big box and try to pick up lots and lots. I hope that I can keep them all. Meow, meow.
Those rainy cats and dogs that
That fall. It's raining.
meow meow meow.
Wait.
meow.
Meow, 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 meow,
Woof
meow.
woof woof.
Woof, 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 woof,
I'll
woof.
go outside.
I'll go outside with a great big box and try to pick up lots and lots. I hope that I can keep them all. Keep
Those
those
rainy.
rainy cats and dogs.
So here's the last line. Those rainy cats and dogs that fall. So sing that, Diego.
Those rainy cats and dogs that fall.
I love the fur and claws.
I love the fur and
I
claws.
love the tails.
Wait. Okay. I love the tail. I love the tails and
I'll
claws.
go outside.
I'll go outside with a great big box and try to pick up lots and lots. I hope that I can keep them all. Those rainy cats and dogs that fall.
How many cats and dogs are you gonna wind up with?
I don't know.
Lots and
Probably
lots.
100.
100 each?
Yes.
Says 200?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot.
Because I already know that 100 plus 100 equals 200.
Say that again.
100 plus 100 equals 200.
So 100 cats plus 100. Wait a minute.
100 cats plus
plus 1
100 dogs equals 102. Wait,
200.
200.
You said it before, just right.
200
200.
dogs and cats.
Yes, at a very crowded home.
Yes. Really crowded home.